Hi friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will solve the question and answer my English course book standard 10 chapter number 3.2 a lesson in life from a beggar. Warming up chit chat solve करने वाले हैं. So let's start our video with question number 1. Chit chat make small groups and share. यहाँ पे हम लोग इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर स्टार्ट करते हैं. Question number 1, a piece of advice that stopped a bad habit in you. Answer, bad habits interrupt your life and prevent you from accomplishing your goal. The advice given by my uncle stopped a bit bad habit in me. Question number 2, a quote proverb that you love to use often. Answer, I often love to use the quote, let's move ahead. Question number 3, an experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. Answer, getting up early morning is quite a difficult job for me. Once we are called at 6 o'clock in the morning to go for a picnic. My mother was trying to wake up me from 5 o'clock, but I got up 5:30 and reached school by 6:30. By then our picnic bus had already left the school. I realized that I had missed the fun. It gave me a lifelong lesson to be punctual. Question number 4, a story, news, episode, movie, play that has impressed and changed you. Answer, I miserably failed in standard 9th. I lost all my hopes. I had decided to discontinue my studies forever. Meanwhile, I happened to read a story of King Bruce, the King of Scotland. He fought many battles to free his country from English rule, lost many battles. Once while hiding in a cave, he saw a spider trying to make his web on the wall of the cave. He slipped and fell again and again, but presumably he tried again and finally succeeded and made his web. King Bruce learned a lesson, got together his army, defeated the English and freed his country. The story impressed me. I was moved by the story and decided to study hard and make an effort to appear from the exam again. The story changed my life. उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन हमें यहाँ पर देखने को मिलता है. क्वेश्चन ये वाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 नहीं हाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मैनी स्लैंग्स एक्सप्रेशन टर्म्स आर यूज फॉर पीपल हैविंग पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव टेल्स. ये आपको जो है मैच करना है ए एंड बी के, बिटवीन ए एंड बी. देखिए कॉच पोटैटो, इसकी लगानी आपको लेज़ी, गुड फॉर नथिंग. वरी वॉट, ऑलवेज नर्वस. फडी डडी, ओल्ड फैशन, रिफ्यूजेस चेंजेस. Wet blanket, spoils other people's fun mood. Wiz, brilliant, genius. Black sheep, shameful person. Live wire, very energetic, active. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का हम लोग देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमें क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, ये कि डिस्कस इन यूर ग्रुप ऑप्टिमिस्ट एंड पैसिमिस्ट, ये आपको करना है. तो इसका आंसर हम लोग इस तरीके से देखेंगे. देखिए, first a failure in exam test. I will try my level best in next exam. Leave it, it is not my cup of tea. Lose a good amount of cash. Bad luck struck. What a bad luck. Unexpected rainfall, bad weather. Let's enjoy the rain. Shit, this rain again. Illness, I want to get well as early as possible. I will die. Extra classes, teacher is going to teach something new. What will it serve? It's waste of time. तो ये थे इसके चिट चैट. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग इसके इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप देखेंगे. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए जाइए. बाय.